Hello, this is Annick Legault from the Adaptech Research Network with a short tutorial about using the Moodle app on student smartphones for assessments to increase and improve academic engagement in and out of the classroom. This will work well for students with or without disabilities. The use of smartphones is ideal because not all students have a laptop or tablet, but an overwhelming majority have smartphones that are perfect for Moodle assessments such as homework, quizzes and exams, all activities that can be done in a physical or virtual class. The Moodle app permits us to manage and access the learning platform from a smartphone on the go, which is great for both students and teachers. However, for now, teachers only have access to manage and create activities such as grading quizzes and exams on Moodle from a web browser that can be reached directly and conveniently from the Moodle app. Moodle is an open source learning platform and course management system which can be personalized by adding relevant pictures, materials, activities, etc. It also has a convenient function called sharing cart to transfer any materials and activities between courses and teachers. Not only does Moodle have an assortment of cool pedagogical activities and resources that can be added to your Moodle course, but when creating quizzes, it also has easy test banks from which to choose questions and tools to create new questions of different types, such as multiple choice, short answers, essays, matching the word, etc., that can be answered effortlessly with smartphones during an online exam. And look how easy it is to find in the Moodle app on the student smartphones. During lectures, I love showing educational video clips and quizzing students right after they watch the video to evaluate comprehension of concepts and important details about the video. These short quizzes are based on the class notes students just took to allow them to fill in gaps if needed. These quizzes can also be reviewed by the students and the feedback studied before an exam. Quizzes can also be used during a review session between lecture segments. The Moodle app can also be used for homework, such as students having to watch a specific video clip available on their Moodle app, and then answer the short quiz based on the notes they take while watching the video. For independent review sessions, to provide study guides, where students practice answering different types of questions based on content of the lectures and prepare for future exams. And finally, for real-timed exams, including different types of questions to assess comprehension and memorization of concepts taught during the course. Convenient for teachers. Teachers can easily create quizzes and exams to assess students' knowledge on their smartphone on Moodle from a web browser. Most importantly, teachers need not worry if they encounter difficulties because most institutions support the Moodle app and web access. Having the Moodle app available on the smartphone makes it possible for teachers to grade and to give feedback on assignments, quizzes, and exams effortlessly, no matter where they are. This is especially convenient for teachers who have a long commute to the college on public transportation. The Moodle app allows a teacher's office be anywhere they want it to be because all they need is their smartphone and access to the internet. Convenient for students. Let's be honest, smartphones are almost always readily available. They are so easy to bring to class or school. It is a nice break for students to complete little activities between lecture segments. Students also receive feedback on their comprehension of concepts being taught in real time. This helps students to reuse the written feedback on these short assessments to study for later exams. Furthermore, study guides and other short quizzes that can be completed as homework at home or on the go, such as during long commute to school on the bus, the subway, or the train, are a valuable resource. So that's it for this tutorial on using the Moodle app on student smartphones for assessments to increase and improve academic engagement in and out the classroom. Don't be afraid to create and use Moodle assessments with smartphones. It has so many advantages for both teachers and students. Also, it's a piece of cake. This project was funded by Entente Canada-Québec. Adaptech Research Network team for this project: Annick Legault, Mary Jorgensen, Christine Vaux, Laura King, Alex Lucier, Megan Harvison, Alice Havel, and Susan Wallman.